Hello everybody, hope all is well. In this video, I'm going to make Lauki with Chana dal. We will need the following ingredients for this recipe. Half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of garam masala. We will also need 1 bottle gourd, also known as Lauki, 3 medium tomatoes, 1 bulb of garlic, a piece of ginger, 1½ onions, 1 or 2 green chillies depending on how spicy you want the dish, a handful of mint leaves, but you can also use fresh coriander instead, and a half cup of gram lentils. First you need to soak the lentils for around 1 hour. Peel and remove the skin of the gourd. Cut into 2 pieces lengthways and cut again so you have 4 pieces. Now cut these into smaller segments. Finally chop the onions, tomatoes, green chilies and mint leaves. Crush together the garlic clove and ginger to make a paste. Place a pressure cooker on medium to high heat. Add in around 6 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add in the chopped onions. Let the onions cook until slightly brown. Add in the garlic and ginger paste. Cook for a minute and add in a few teaspoons of water. This will stop it from sticking with the pot. Add in the salt and spices. Add a couple more teaspoons of water to keep the ingredients from burning. Add the tomatoes and chilies. Cook for a couple more minutes until the tomatoes soften. Once ready, drain the lentils. Add in the lentils and mix well. Add in the chopped gourd. Add 3 to 4 cups of water. Bring to the boil and then close the pressure cooker. Leave on medium flame for around 3 to 4 whistles. The Lauki dal should be ready now. If it's too watery for your liking, you can let it simmer without the lid to make it more dry. Empty the pressure cooker into a dish. For the tadka, heat a frying pan. Add a teaspoon of olive oil or vegetable oil and some butter. We will need 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds whole zera and some dried bird's eye chilies. Once the oil butter mixture is hot, add in the ingredients. The tadka should be ready in a minute. Once it's ready, pour over the Lauki dal. Sprinkle over some garam masala. Garnish with the mint leaves or fresh coriander. Your Lauki dal is ready and can be served with chapatis and raita. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment. Bye everyone.